A very good morning to all my dear students. Today, we shall begin our virtual class with a poem titled To a Pair of Saras Cranes. Manmohan Singh is the writer of this poem. He was an officer of the Indian Administrative Service. He was a noted poet, and this poem is chosen from his book titled Village Poems. I have divided the poem into 6 parts, so we shall begin with the first part of the poem. The male was shot as he necked to pull the reluctant sun out from the rim of horizon. In this poem, the poet depicts the cruel nature of a bird hunter. They did not care about the feelings of the cranes. They acted heartless towards the pair of cranes. The hunter shot down the male bird when it was flying out joyfully, and when its beak was immersed in water in a playful attempt to pull out the sun that seemed reluctant to rise. She flew crying as she was picked up, hands and jaws, and a proud neck was humbled to lie like dirty linen in a coarse washing bag. Now, the partner of that male bird, the helpless female bird, she came flying around that spot and she was crying for her partner. The hunters made the matter worse. What did they do? They did not treat the bird with dignity after it has been shot down. They, instead of treating it with dignity, with kindness, what did they do? They picked the bird up by its hands and jaws and dumped like dirty linen. What is dirty linen? It's a dirty cloth, just like how we throw a dirty cloth. Similarly, they dumped that bird like a dirty linen in a coarse, that is a rough washing bag, which reflects the callousness of the hunters. Callousness is nothing but cruelty of those hunters. Okay, now we shall move with the third part. She circled the sky in movements of grace over his disgraceful end. The killers went away and she returned to the death's scene. The Saras cranes, they actually mate for life. So it's like it was very difficult for her to accept the loss of a partner. It was very much harder for the female bird. So she kept on circling round that death scene in graceful moments. And as soon as the cruel hunters left that place, she returned to the death scene, or she came to that place.